History of SAS. SAS was conceived by Anthony J. Burr in 1966. Burr had created an analysis of variance modeling language inspired by the notations of the statistician Maurice Kendall, followed by a multiple regression program that generated machine code for performing algebraic transformation of the raw data. Drawing on those programs and his experience with structured data files, he created SAS placing statistical procedures into a formatted file framework. From 1966 to 1968, Burr developed the fundamental structure and language of SAS. SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System, which is known as a business intelligence software product. It is a business intelligence tool which can give simple answers to business through data mining capabilities, report generation, and automation. It is easy to learn fourth-generation data-centric programming language and one of the well-paid technologies currently. Overview of SAS products. Base SAS, data management and basic procedures. SAS ST80, statistical analysis. SAS graph, presentation quality graphics. SASOR, operations research. SAS ETS, econometrics and time series analysis. SAS IML, interactive matrix language. SAS AF, application facility menus and interfaces. SAS QC, quality control. There are other specialized products for spreadsheets, access to database connectivity between different machines running SAS. Usage of SAS in the industry. Financials use SAS for reporting, data mining, database marketing, activity-based management. Telecommunication industry use SAS for reporting, data mining and forecasting. Pharmaceuticals use databases to statistical analysis reporting. Accessing SAS. There are 4 ways to access SAS on a Unix system. Type SAS. This opens the SAS Display Manager, which consists of 3 windows such as Program, Log and Output. Some procedures must be run from the Display Manager. Type SAS Notes. You will be prompted for each SAS statement and output will be scrolled by on the screen. Type SAS stdio. SAS will act like a standard Unix program, expecting input from standard input, sending the log to standard error and the output to standard output. Type SAS filename .sas. This is the batch mode of SAS. Your program is read from filename.sas. The log goes to filename.log and the output goes to filename.list. Technologies and to know to perform well in industry. Databases, Oracle, SQL Server, Database Management 2. Web interfaces, SAS Internet, Web App STDIO. reporting ASA, e.g. Application development, SAS IOM, Bridge, App Dev Studio, SASAF. SAS components. SAS consists of a number of components which organizations separately license and install as required. Examples: SAS Ad Info Microsoft Office, Business Intelligence Dashboard, Data Integration Studio, Enterprise Miner, SAS Web OLAP View for Java, SAS Web OLAP View for .NET. Terminology. Terminology where many other languages refer to tables, rows, and columns, fields. SAS uses the terms datasets, observation, and variables. There are only two kinds of variables in SAS, numeric and character. Features of SAS: read and write different file formats. Built in statistical and random number functions. System of formats and informats. These control representation and categorization of data and may be used within DataStep programs in a wide variety of ways. Users can create custom formats either by direct specification or via an input dataset. Basic SAS DataStep program. Data numbers are represented by start of a data step. Assigning values to x1 and x2 are represented by x1 equal to 1 semicolon, x2 equal to 2 semicolon. And run refers to end of the data step. Proc print is an issue a print procedure. Data equal to numbers to print the dataset numbers. As said earlier, run is the end of the statement. SAS statements. C, C++, Java-like syntax. Every statement ends with semicolon. Data step starts with a keyword data followed by the dataset name. Data step end with run. Is found or any other data or procedure is found, else the status on the window would show data step for procedure running. It is usually begins with SAS keyword, then can begin and end anywhere on a line. One statement can continue over several lines. Several statements can be on a line. Preliminary concepts and rules. SAS variable names must be 32 characters or less. It's a good idea not to start variables names with an underscore because special system variables are named that way. Dataset names follow similar rules as variables, but they have a different namespace. There are virtually no reserved keywords in SAS. It's very good at figuring things out by context. SAS is not case sensitive except inside of quoted strings. Started in version 7, SAS will remember the case of variable names when it displays them. Missing values are handled consistently in SAS and are represented by a period. Each statement in SAS must end in a semicolon.